What's going on, sliders? As you can see, the X5 35i is back, and it's a little different. I don't know if you guys can spot it, but the wheels are black now. Let's give it a little sportier look, and I think it looks great. Matches the carbon nicely. But that's not why we're here. We are here because we've got a Burger Motorsports cold air intake that we're gonna install. Since we've already flashed stage 2 plus on a completely stock car, we might as well put an intake on it so we can hear it wham like that. So we found this intake on the marketplace for the low, and this intake works for F10 and for X5s and X6s. So let's get it on. So this install is pretty simple. As you guys can tell, this is gonna go here, and you're gonna reuse that clamp, and we're also going to reuse the screw that mounts this onto, I think it's this one or that one, but we're gonna reuse that screw. And if you bought this new, your kit should have came with this screw and this little mounting point here in your intake. All that stuff is self-explanatory. So let's take this apart, pull out the filter, and drop it in. Guys, so this is pretty simple. You're just gonna need a T25 Torx and a flathead to remove that clamp. All right, guys, so we got that top air filter cover off. Let's see if we can get this. There we go. Oh, that filter was very dirty. This is pretty much gonna go right there. So I guess it's the last bolt that's gonna mount there. So we're gonna reuse one of these screws here from the original cover, and then this will be secured and we'll be good to go, making all those nice turbo noises. Looking good. Not gonna lie, this clamp here was a little sketch. Like, it almost felt like it wasn't clamping down on it as nicely as I would have liked it to, but I cranked it down as much as I could. Looks pretty nice. It's obviously not as beautiful as a brand new one out the box that is very blue, because we washed this one, so it lost some of its luster. But let's see how it sounds.